Hello, welcome to Kitty Elephant and Wolf Show. Today we're going to do Book Creator. Getting started, a short tutorial. Welcome to Book Creator. This quick tutorial will take you through creating your first book. 1. Add content to the page. Tap on the plus button to add an item to the page. You can choose photos, videos, text, and sound, or draw and write with the pen. Number 2, position content. You can move any item around the page with your finger and resize it using the blue circles. Tip: you can also rotate images and text with a 2-finger twist. 3. Working with images. Sync images and videos to your iPad using iTunes or use Safari to save images from the web. Just hold your finger on the image. Using the inspector. The inspector shows options for adjusting an item, including deleting it. You can also use the inspector to set the page color. And here's the bottom part. Always ensure you have permission to reuse images. Tip: the inspector shows options for the currently selected items. To select an item, just tap on it. Number 5, give it a go. Why not explore Book Creator by adding some of your own content to this page? Building your book. Tap on pages and then edit to work with the pages of your book. You can reorder with a long press. If you make a mistake, you can always undo your changes to the current page. 7. Reading your book. For the fun bit, tap on the play button to read your book. So this is what I'm doing right now. You can even have Siri read it to you. Try it with this tutorial. When you're ready, you can export your book to iBooks and other apps. The list of apps will depend on the ones you have installed. Some great ones for sharing your books are Dropbox and Google Drive. 8. Last one, getting more help. Book Creator offers much more, from hyperlinks to sharing features. On the My Books screen, tap the support button to view the full online help. Now let's read the bottom side. When you're ready, you can export your book to... Oh wait, I think I read that. Let's read this one. That's all you need to know to create your first book. Happy book making. Well, I can't thank Book Creator enough for creating this book and teaching me how to use it. See you next time.